What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I ask you a question. What do you do with your wife's CTSV when she goes out of town? Well, I'll tell you what you do. You take it to the drag strip and see what it runs. So that's what we're going to do today. So I watched, I don't know, 2 or 3 videos of these cars running stock, and then I looked up several launch techniques. This car is completely stock. So stock tires, it has Michelin Pilot Sports in the back, and it seemed like pretty unanimous the best way to do a launch in this car and not completely blow off the tires is to do a short burnout with the traction control off, and then turn the traction control back on after the burnout, put the transmission in sport mode, and put the put the suspension in touring mode. So I did all those things, except I completely forgot to put the transmission in sport mode. You're up there trying to do a burnout and remember all this stuff, and I completely forgot to slide the transmission over in sport mode. But anyway, this is the first run. Okay, obviously you can see from the slip that I don't have a mile per hour. So the problem with that is, I guess the track had some issue with the timers, and they assured me they're going to get them fixed. Anyway, forgot to put it in sport mode. The car did spin a little bit, but not bad, and it ran a 12.4. So I was pretty happy with that for the first pass. Never ran the car before. But the next 2 passes, I thought, surely I can get faster. I'll put the transmission in sport mode. I let a little pressure out of the tires down to like 25 PSI. And so these are the next 2 runs. All right, as you can see from the 2 slips that I posted, the car did do faster as far as 1/8 mile goes, but on the 1/4 mile, still no time and still no mile per hour. You know, the first run I did get a mile, or a time at least, I didn't get a mile per hour, but it's kind of irritating when you go to a track to run 1/4 mile and the timers aren't working or something's wrong, but you know, stuff happens. Anyway, I was pretty impressed with the time that it ran. You know, I think that it probably could have snuck into the 12:30s, but and maybe even better than that. You know, on a cooler day, it was pretty warm out. But I wanted to give you guys a video of this car completely stock as far as running the 1/4 mile. I'd also like to take it to the dyno. I haven't done that yet, but I would like to get stock dyno numbers to go along with the stock 1/4 mile times, so you guys can kind of see as far as what we do and what kind of gains we get, where we end up with this car. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that. Hit that little bell icon if you do that. That way you make sure you get any videos to your phone the minute, or tablet, whatever you guys use. Anyway, you get that notification every time I drop a new video. And if you guys want to ask me any questions, or post them in the comments down below, or if you have an idea for another video, something else you want to see out of this car or any of the cars that I have, please post. I do read all my comments. You can also hit me up on Instagram at TWA Motorsports, or you can email me with any questions at twamotorsports@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching, and see what happens next.